Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another product from the Kohinoor Xpress Eats. It's the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Zaffrani Rice. So this is an amazing saffron flavored rice from Kohinoor, and today we are going to review this product. It's another ready to eat product from Kohinoor Xpress Eats brand. So let's go ahead and review the packaging first. So you can see that the Zaffrani rice comes similar to the other Express Eats available in a plastic pouch, and the color used for the Zaffrani rice is definitely saffron because it's a saffron flavored rice. Then they have the Zaffrani rice illustration here. They have the Kohinoor branding, the Express Eats branding, the name of the product, the illustration of the Zaffrani rice here. And here they have mentioned that heat to eat it, just 90 seconds in a microwave and it will be ready. Cooked authentic basmati rice, mildly flavored with cardamom and saffron. This product will serve 2 people, enough rice for 2 people. There is no added preservatives, no MSG, no artificial colors or flavors added. Like similar to any other Express Eats product, there is nothing artificial, no added preservatives added to any of their products. So yeah, that is what is mentioned here. The net weight of this Zaffrani rice is 250 grams. Which is pav kilo, so 250 grams here. Moving on to the back side of the product, here we have the Kohinoor branding again, the Express Eats branding, and here it says, get the comfort and goodness of Indian food anytime, anywhere. Keep Kohinoor Express handy in your desk, drawer, pantry, backpack, and even take along on your travels. We know you have a million things to do and sometimes you don't want to cook. Live the Express way and never have to worry about the hunger pangs or unhealthy eating food choices. So that is what is mentioned here. They have mentioned while traveling abroad, don't want to cook, away from home, working late, multiple reasons why you don't want to cook, and the multiple reasons to try the Zaffrani rice are mentioned here. Like I told you, the net weight is 250 grams and the price is rupees 85. So they are priced at rupees 85, which is very reasonable. Moving on, to the shelf life of the product. If you look at the shelf life, it is a good 15-month shelf life that they are providing. 15-month shelf life for the Zaffrani rice, which is amazing. Just heat and eat. So they have shown you the multiple ways to cook it. You can cook it in a microwave, in a frying pan, or just immerse this packet into a bowl of boiling water or a vessel of boiling water for 5 minutes and it's ready to go. Right? So they have mentioned the nutritional facts here. The ingredients of the Zaffrani rice are cooked basmati rice, the vegetable oil, edible common salt, green cardamom powder, turmeric powder, and saffron. So yeah, and then the license numbers mentioned here. So that is all that has been mentioned on the Kohinoor Zaffrani rice packet here. And let's go ahead and prepare the Zaffrani rice and let's do a taste test for the same. Taking a frying pan here and we are going to put it on the gas. And now we are going to see. Now we are going to just take a packet of the Zaffrani rice from Kohinoor right now. And we just need to open the packet. So I have a pair of scissors here. I'm just going to cut it open from the marking, the cutting marking that they have given here. We'll just cut it open from here. Here guys, this is the Zaffrani rice. You can see the rice inside the packet. So we just need to put on the flame first and just heat the rice up for 2-3 minutes. Here we go, this is the rice. I'm just going to empty the packet of the Zaffrani rice. So here 1 packet of rice that we have emptied into the frying pan. I'm taking a spatula here and just heating it up. So all we have to do is just heat the rice up for a good 2-3 minutes, and then our Zaffrani rice is ready to serve. Now we have to just put in 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of water in it. So we'll just sprinkle some water into it so that the rice doesn't stick. So we put a few teaspoons of water. On medium flame we are like just heating it up. The rice, as you see, every grain of rice is separate right now, and we are just trying to heat it up. And this is like mildly flavored rice right now. This is a mildly flavored Zaffrani rice. It has cardamom powder, turmeric and saffron in it. Just heat it for 2 minutes right now. And then the Zaffrani rice is ready to be served. Just drinking some more water. I put out flame right now, and every grain of rice is nice and separate and fluffy right now, and you can see that. Now we just remove it into a serving dish, and the Zaffrani rice is ready to be served. And then we'll go ahead and do the taste test for the Zaffrani rice. So yeah, this is it. Like, this is how the Zaffrani rice needs to be prepared. It just took us 2 minutes. Zaffrani rice we have prepared. As per the pack, it was supposed to be a serving for 2 people, but looking at the quantity, I think this won't be enough for 2 people. The quantity is quite less if we think about 2 people eating from it. So it's like a serving for a 1.5 person, like 1 adult and 1 kid. So that's the serving size that it provides for. It's not for 2 people, definitely. A heavy eater, 1 person can finish this up. Medium size eater will finish up at least 3/4 of the portions, like when it comes to rice portions. And yeah, it doesn't serve 2 people. The pack doesn't serve 2 people. It is good for 1.5, like 1 adult and 1 child. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the taste test of the Zaffrani rice. So here we have the Zaffrani rice prepared here, and we are just going to take a spoonful of the Zaffrani rice and do a taste test of the same. So guys, here we are doing the taste test of the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Zaffrani rice. This is a spoonful of the Zaffrani rice here, and here it goes. It has a basmati aroma to it, but nothing very aromatic or fragrant about it. When it was cooking, I could feel the aroma, but right now I don't see any fragrance coming from it, but just feel like the basmati fragrance of it. But anyways, let's do a taste test. The rice is nicely cooked. It has a smooth flavor, smooth basmati taste to it. But somewhere I feel the salt is less. So there's lesser salt in it. If you like salt in your food, you can go ahead and add an additional salt. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to top it up with some salt, because the salt is less. Not really getting the flavor of the cardamom powder on it. Actually not getting any flavor, I should say. It's just plain basmati rice, which is colored yellow due to the turmeric in it. But I'm not having any saffron taste or the taste of cardamom in it. So this is like parboiled basmati rice, which they give packed in a packet, and you just need to heat it up. So anyways, I'd give it a 2 on 5, because it didn't meet the expectation of the Zaffrani rice that I expected it to be. I felt it would have much more flavor to it, but this is just plain basmati rice right now. So yeah, so this is a 2 on 5 for the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Zaffrani rice, which I didn't really enjoy much. Definitely it will go well with any gravy or something, but to have it plain, it's not a great idea to do that. So yeah guys, that's my review on the Kohinoor Xpress Eats Zaffrani Rice. Guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.